There's an army rising up. There's an army rising up. Y'all are watching me?
Mastermind.
Hey guys, welcome back. That was rough. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. You know it's your girl, Dipton Chocolate. So guys, today's video is about how to reach 1,000 subscribers on YouTube. Guys, this is kind of hard for some people, but for me, it was easy. So guys, let's sit down and watch. Please like. I'm going to wait on you until you like this video. So go ahead and like the video. Okay, subscribe now. And comment, yeah, and comment. Okay, we're back. I'm just really energized today, so just be energized with me. Be lit with me. Okay, let's get in the videos. These are some tips how to reach 1,000 subscribers on YouTube. Fast.
That's okay, take your time.
So guys, the 3 steps to get 1,000 subscribers within the 1-year period are your social medias, doing giveaways, and promotion. Yes, guys! Now, those are some simple things. Like, for example, get Instagram, get Facebook, and get TikTok on your device right now. Yeah, right now, everything I'm saying is legit. It is what it is. But this, what I'm saying, is legit. Guys, my social media, especially Instagram and Facebook, gave me my 1,000 subscribers because I have 6,000 followers on Instagram, and me sending out my channel, promoting it, and asking persons to subscribe, to share, to like, helped me to reach my 1,000 subscribers within 3 months. Yes, guys, 3 months. I got the 1,000 subscribers. So, guys, also with Facebook, when you upload a video, please share it with the persons in your contacts on Facebook and on Messenger. And also, guys, do some nice tutorial tips on TikTok and share your videos or your previews on TikTok. That will also give you persons to go over to your YouTube channel and subscribe. There's rain in the background. I don't know if you guys are hearing me. That's why I'm shouting. Yes, guys. So the other tip is giveaways. Guys, people love giveaways. I gave away $2,000 Jamaican credit, and I was at 900 subscribers, and I got the 10 subscribers from one person because he really wanted the $2,000. So giveaway, especially if it's something that the persons that your audience really wants, giveaways will help you to reach the 1,000 quick. Because as I said, I got 1,000 subscribers in 3 months. The other one is promotion. I haven't done that yet because my social media and my giveaway gave me the 1,000 subscribers. But for you guys who don't have a big social media platform or don't want to do a giveaway, can do this promotion thing. Listen, the way you can promote your channel is by sharing it. Also, by doing some cards to give away to persons so that they can remember to subscribe to your YouTube channel. Especially if you're on the road, you can give away to persons some of your cue cards, some of your cards. You know what I'm talking about? Some of your cards with your YouTube websites, your social medias, so that like when you say subscribe to my channel and they don't remember, say okay, here's my card. Yes, that can also help to grow your channel. So guys, use my steps. So the first step is social medias, giveaways, and promotions. So guys, thank you for watching my video. This was short and educational, I know. So just comment down below, like, subscribe, and just follow what I said, and you guys will reach 1,000 subscribers within 3 months, or anywhere you are right now. I know you guys. I believe in you guys. So guys, thank you for watching. Bye. Guys, don't forget to follow and buy my merch. Follow the merch store called Icla Lip Gloss for it's gonna be down in my description below. Don't forget to follow it. Lip gloss nice. Everybody will buy it if I say best lip gloss ever. I'm not exaggerating, not because of my product, I'm not exaggerating. See my lip them ever nice and shine and pretty? Yes. At this we use. At this. Show me a hold the phone with me. Watch it bring off my entire look. So guys, go into the description below and follow the page, and you can order it. You can put an order in the comment section. I'm gonna give you my business number and call me and get the merch delivery, free delivery, depending on where you live. So if you live far, delivery will cost you, but if you live like near my community Glengarth, free delivery. So people just go follow the merch and just big up on yourself.